I've always wondered what primary songs would sound like jazzy, so we're gonna find out today. I'm taking Give Said the Little Stream, and we're gonna hopefully turn it into something a little more jazzy. All right, here we go. So now we've got. Okay, now I've got the melody. What's kind of annoying about this melody is it feels really square. It's like super square. I think we want a little bit more rhythmic interest to it. So the way that we can do that is by creating some syncopation, by basically moving some of these beats to the off beats. So for example, if we make this one an eighth note, and then if we make, so basically what I've done is I've taken that quarter note and pulled it onto the and here. So we have one and, which is kind of nice. Cool. So now we have da, 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 da. Nice. It's already feeling more jazzy. We haven't even added any jazzy chords. I'm hearing like a little da 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 da. Do you hear that? Oh, it makes it sound so nice. Gives a little bit of skip in your step when you throw one of those on. Okay, so now let's hear what we've got for this first line rhythm. I'm really liking this so far. Da 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 da, dee da 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 da. You can feel the energy of those eighth notes. Da da da. Nice. Cool. I'm actually feeling like I can put a exclamation point on that. Now this is starting to feel a little bit more like jazz. Now it's time to add in some chords. Yeah, I think a good old F7 should work there. What's it? Ah, there we go. So we got F major 7 there. Okay, so let's see what we came up with. Oh, dude, I love that. That is so fun. Hope you enjoyed.